lot of man-made intelligence publicity as of late, however that doesn't mean the robots are here to supplant us. This article puts any misinformation to rest and makes sense of how organizations ought to move toward computer-based intelligence. From pondering about self-driving vehicles to dreading computer-based intelligence bots that could obliterate the world, there has been a lot of computer-based intelligence publicity in the beyond couple of years. Computer-based intelligence has caught our minds, dreams, and sporadically, our bad dreams. Nonetheless, actually computer-based intelligence is right now significantly less high level than we expected it would be at this point. Independent vehicles, for instance, frequently viewed as the perfect example of simulated intelligence's boundless future, address a tight use case and are not yet a typical application across all transportation areas. In this article, we depublicity computer-based intelligence, give apparatuses to organizations moving toward man-made intelligence and offer data to assist partners with teaching themselves. Man-made intelligence, computerized reasoning, and ML/AI are terms that are frequently utilized conversely, however they address various ideas. Artificial intelligence expects to make knowledge, and that implies mental capacities and the ability to finish the Turing assessment. It works by taking what it has realized and hoisting it to a higher level. Creating a cleaning robot that functions similarly to a human cleaner is one example of the goal of using artificial intelligence, AI. ML is a subset of computer-based intelligence. It is based on combining machines and data and includes mathematical models. ML works by gaining examples from occasions and afterward focusing on those illustrations. Accordingly, ML can perform activities that people can't, such as going over immense reams of information, sorting out designs, foreseeing probabilities. From there, the sky is the limit. The idea of general man-made intelligence is the one that frequently startles the vast majority, since it's the exemplification of our robot masters supplanting people. Not at all like general simulated intelligence, restricted man-made intelligence is a particular type of computer-based intelligence that is tuned for unmistakable errands. This center permits supporting people, alleviating us from work that is excessively difficult or possibly hurtful. Tight artificial intelligence is now being applied across ventures, as for building vehicles or bundling boxes. In online protection, restricted simulated intelligence can dissect action information and logs, looking for peculiarities or indications of an assault. There are three normal models of man-made intelligence and ML in nature: generative computer-based intelligence, regulated ML, and unaided ML. Generative AI is a cutting-edge area of artificial intelligence that is characterized by models like LLMs that are trained on a corpus of knowledge. The generative artificial intelligence innovation can produce new satisfied in view of the data held inside that corpus. Generative simulated intelligence has been portrayed as a type of autocorrect or type-ahead, however, on steroids. Generative simulated intelligence is the most ideal for use cases like conceptualizing, helped copy editing and leading exploration against a confided-in corpus. Online protection experts, as SOC and combination groups, can use generative man-made intelligence for research to assist them with grasping zero-day weaknesses, network geographies, or new signs of give and take, IOC. Solo learning in ML implies that the preparation information and the results are not named. This approach permits calculations to make deductions from information without human mediation, to track down examples, groups, and associations. In online protection, unaided learning can be utilized for bunching or gathering and for finding designs that weren't obvious previously. There are times when unsupervised learning is the best option. In supervised learning, the preparation information is named with input/yield matches, and the model's exactness relies upon the nature of marking and dataset fulfillment. Regulated learning is the most ideal for making expectations. In network protection, managed learning is utilized for arrangement, which can help distinguish phishing and malware. Regulated learning isn't the most ideal fit, assuming there's no opportunity to prepare or nobody to mark or prepare the information. Support learning, RL, consumes a space between completely regulated and solo learning and is an exceptional way to deal with ML. What cybercriminals are talking about generative AI, generative man-made intelligence, is important to digital hoodlums. while drawing in with artificial intelligence and computer-based intelligence-based arrangements, understanding simulated intelligence's impediments, dangers, and vulnerabilities is significant. The man-made consciousness hazard the board system, simulated intelligence RMA, by NIST is a bunch of rules and best practices intended to assist associations with recognizing, survey and deal with the dangers related with the sending and utilization of computerized reasoning innovations. The MITRE Atlas, Adversarial Threat Landscape for Artificial Intelligence Systems, the OWASP Top 10 for Machine Learning, and Google's Secure AI.